Hi guys, and welcome to another crazy nutty idea that I had making pizza. We're using mission wraps on the mini dash. So I took two mission wraps that were marked keto, and then I just covered them up with a little bit of olive oil, and I put them on the mini dash. Took a little bit of Reyes pizza sauce on the mini dash with some mozzarella cheese. Closed the lid, put the other one on top of that one. Let it go until the light went out, and then I popped it off of there, put it on the plate, and then I did another one. It's the opposite of that one. I ended up putting some mozzarella cheese on the top. Put the tortilla on top of the cheese, and then mozzarella cheese and the braised pizza sauce. And this is the first one that's getting ready to come off the thing there. I think it was, I wanted to get a little more crunchier than that. And then it tasted really good. It was just messy, and it was really hot when I pulled it off, and you could see the problem I was having. And I got the sauce all over my nice brand new background towel that I was using. It's okay, that'll be going in the wash. But then I was flipping it around just to show you the example. And then these other two that are coming up, I took a pair of scissors and I was just trimming around to make it fit. And then again, I put a little cheese and just put it over the top, and then I put here's maybe about a tablespoon of red sauce. And you can see the mess and the problem I was having, but it's the fun part about experimenting. But overall, they came out really, really good. Crunchy and everything like that. It just didn't get a very good thumbnail, and just why I said I'm just going to put this up as a regular video. But anyways, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you got something you want me to make, let me know. Have a great day.